This Black+Decker 4-slice toaster oven is a versatile and efficient appliance designed to make your cooking experience more convenient and enjoyable. This compact yet powerful toaster oven brings a variety of cooking functions to your countertop, offering an array of features that cater to your baking, broiling, toasting, and warming needs. If you're considering adding a reliable toaster oven to your kitchen, here's a comprehensive review that highlights the key aspects of the Black+Decker. The Black+Decker boasts a sleek and modern design with its stainless steel and black exterior. This combination not only looks great, but also ensures durability and ease of cleaning. The compact dimensions of 14.5 by 8.8 by 10.8 inches make it a perfect fit for any kitchen countertop without taking up too much space. Despite its small footprint, the interior is thoughtfully designed to accommodate up to 4 slices of bread or a 9-inch pizza, thanks to its curved interior. The large, clear glass window allows you to monitor your food as it cooks, eliminating the guesswork and reducing the chances of overcooking or burning. The stainless steel build quality ensures that the oven remains sturdy and maintains its sleek appearance even after extended use. One of the standout features of the Black+Decker is its versatility. It offers 4 cooking functions: bake, broil, toast, and keep warm. These functions provide a range of cooking options, making it suitable for preparing a variety of meals and snacks. Bake. The baking function is perfect for small batches of cookies, casseroles, or reheating leftovers. It provides even heat distribution, ensuring your food is cooked thoroughly and consistently. Broil. The broiling function is ideal for melting cheese on sandwiches, cooking meats, or crisping the tops of casseroles. It delivers intense heat from above, which is perfect for achieving that desirable golden brown finish. Toast. With Eventos technology, the toaster oven is specially designed to ensure even toasting of up to 4 slices of bread at a time. This feature guarantees that each slice is perfectly toasted, with a consistent texture and color. Keep warm. This function is useful for keeping your food warm until you're ready to serve. It's perfect for maintaining the temperature of dishes without overcooking them. The Black+Decker is equipped with intuitive and easy-to-use controls. The 3 control knobs allow you to adjust the temperature, select the cooking function, and set the timer. The 30-minute timer includes precise toast settings and a stay-on functionality, which is particularly useful for longer cooking tasks. The timer ensures you can cook your food to your exact specifications without constantly monitoring the oven. This toaster oven is designed to deliver efficient performance, thanks to its Eventos technology. The interior is engineered to optimize heat distribution, ensuring that your food is cooked evenly every time. Whether you're toasting bread, baking a small pizza, or broiling meat, the Black+Decker performs exceptionally well, delivering consistent and reliable results. The 1200-watt power rating ensures that the toaster oven heats up quickly, reducing preheating time and allowing you to start cooking sooner. This is especially convenient for busy individuals who need to prepare meals quickly. Keeping the Black+Decker clean is a breeze, thanks to its removable crumb tray. The tray catches all the crumbs and food particles that fall during cooking, preventing them from accumulating at the bottom of the oven. Simply slide out the tray and empty it after each use to maintain a clean and hygienic cooking environment. The stainless steel exterior can be wiped down with a damp cloth to remove any smudges or splatters, ensuring that your toaster oven always looks its best. The non-stick interior surfaces also make it easy to clean up any spills or splatters that occur during cooking. Why choose the Black+Decker 4-slice toaster oven? 1. Compact and stylish design. Fits seamlessly on any countertop while adding a touch of modern elegance to your kitchen. 2. Versatile cooking functions. Offers baking, broiling, toasting, and warming functions to cater to a wide range of cooking needs. 3. Eventos technology. Ensures perfectly even toasting for up to 4 slices of bread. 4. User-friendly controls. Simple and intuitive knobs make it easy to select settings and adjust the timer. 5. Efficient performance, quick heating, and even cooking results in delicious meals every time. 6. Easy maintenance, removable crumb tray, and easy-to-clean surfaces make keep hassle-free. Conclusion: the Black+Decker 4-slice toaster oven is a fantastic addition to any kitchen, offering a blend of style, versatility, and performance. Its compact size and efficient design make it an excellent choice for those who want to enjoy the convenience of a toaster oven without sacrificing counter space. Whether you're toasting, baking, broiling, or warming, this appliance delivers consistent and reliable results. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and discover how Black+Decker can elevate your cooking experience. Invest in the Black+Decker today and transform your kitchen with a versatile, efficient, and stylish toaster oven. Enjoy perfectly cooked meals and snacks with minimal effort, all in the convenience of your own home. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.